You've probably heard about Greenlight Guru. It's one of the most talked about QMS platforms for medical device companies right now. But here's the question. Does it live up to the hype? Or is it just another overpriced system that promises compliance and gives you headaches instead? I've worked with hundreds of medtech teams to find the right QMS, and today we're putting Greenlight Guru under the microscope. Alright, so Greenlight Guru is a cloud-based quality management software purpose-built for the medical device industry. And I mean specifically, this isn't just a generic QMS trying to be everything to everyone. The big difference? It actually helps enforce FDA and ISO 13485 compliance, not just document it. Now, it works best for small to mid-sized medtech companies. But if you're outside medical devices, or if you've got fewer than 10 people on your team, you probably want to look at something with more broad applicability. Think QAD or QT9 for pharma and biotech, or Qualio if you need something lighter. And hey, if you're not sure where to land, we can help. At Software Connect, we match companies with the right QMS based on your actual workflows and needs, not just a feature list. Head over to softwareconnect.com for free recommendations. So now you know who it's best for, let's walk through what actually stands out to me after talking to medical device teams. Then we'll cover some common complaints I've heard. First, it scales with your product complexity and keeps everything connected. That's why I really like Greenlight Guru for growing teams. From the dashboard, each project acts as a design file for your device. The system auto-generates your design history file into the background. No more panicking 3 days before an audit trying to compile it manually. And the design control matrix connects everything from inputs and outputs to verification and validation. That way you can trace a single requirement from initial concept through test results without rifling through folders. When you make engineering or manufacturing change orders, it shows you exactly what's impacted and auto-routes approvals. And supplier management lives in the same system, so you can track supplier documentation and link issues back to nonconformances. Second, the compliance tool can actually help prevent mistakes before they happen. The interface guides your team through regulated processes. It won't let someone skip a required approval or bypass a verification step. It also captures electronic signatures in compliance with 21 CFR Part 11, so every change order and approval gets tracked, who changed what, why, and when. It even handles training management, so you can assign SOPs to specific roles and ensure no one unqualified is signing off on critical decisions. So when the FDA auditor shows up, you're ready. Third, integrated risk management flows through your entire process. Greenlight Guru maps hazard and harms in line with ISO 14971. In other words, you're not maintaining separate risk spreadsheets that fall out of sync with your actual design. And because risk and design controls share the same workspace, QA and engineering stays aligned. The CAPA management handles this well. You can link CAPAs to complaints, audit findings, or design changes and guide teams through root cause analysis. That way you can prove you close the loop, not just open tickets. So when audit time comes, you can export a complete risk matrix, DHF, or CAPA report in a few clicks. The auto-generated documentation includes all the details auditors will want to see. Documents impacted, approvers, approval dates, and signatures. That's what keeps you audit ready without drowning in manual work. So those are the main highlights, but nothing's perfect. Here are the common complaints I hear. The most frequent one? Limited customization. Again, it's designed with a fixed compliance-based workflow approach, which is kind of the whole point, right? But it also means you can't configure it as much. That said, they recently added custom fields to quality processes based on user feedback, so they're clearly listening. And while it's laser focused on medical devices, that's both its biggest strength and its flaw. It's strongly aligned to 24 CFR Part 820 and ISO 13485, plus related to standards like DHF management and design controls. This is all medtech stuff. If you're in pharma and need batch records and deviation management, it's going to feel too narrow. You'd be better off with master control or a similar system. This last one isn't all that uncommon, but Greenlight Guru doesn't share public pricing. It's not unusual in the QMS world. We can get you custom quotes from different QMS systems at softwareconnect.com, but for now, I can give you some general ranges. Just keep in mind that final costs are going to depend on your QMS plan. You start off with a core package and then add on product development, quality events, and Guru services for things like in-app support. But to give you a basic idea, Greenlight Guru falls into the mid-tier QMS range with platforms like Intellect QMS. That's roughly $20,000 to $50,000 per year dependent upon your configuration. So what are my final thoughts on Greenlight Guru? I think it's a strong choice for small to mid-sized medtech companies that need real compliance enforcement, not just documentation. I especially like that design controls are at the core of the system and that traceability connects to everything from suppliers to CAPAs to risk management. Plus, DHF generation is automatic, and the change management system actually keeps cross-functional teams moving instead of creating more bottlenecks. So if those sound like tools your team actually needs, not just nice to haves, reach out to us at softwareconnect.com. We'll help you figure out if Greenlight Guru is the right fit or if there's another platform out there that matches your needs better. Because here's the reality. Greenlight Guru is just one of many QMS options out there. We've got a full roundup of top systems like Qt9 and ETQ Reliance. Or check out our video on the top QMS software that nail ISO 9001 and quality control. We dive into options like Unifies and IdeaGen there. Find out what actually works for your team, not just what checks boxes on a feature list. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you next time.